Coimbra, Portugal? No, Coimbra Street. So named after the city in Portugal. So we're right on the corner here, and this particular one, I'm just gonna kind of show some of the restaurants around here. There's a new chicken place, looks like it just opened. This Paris store has been here for a while. I'm just gonna walk down a little bit towards Flower City, and then we're gonna come back and kind of show you a little bit of Coimbra Street. So it's a street here in Taipa. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so before we go, we'll just kind of show you the stuff that we're missing. If we did go that way, we'd go towards Taipa Central Park, and I might actually go back there in a little bit and kind of show you. There's a police station, and this is the corner chicken place right here, and we're just going to walk down it a little bit and kind of show you a little bit of Coimbra Street in Taipa so you can get an idea. There's actually a Paris store right here, and they actually have French goods, so I think there's stuff like wheat beer, raspberries, wow. Oh, mulberries as well, blueberries. Okay, so all kinds of cool stuff, and you can kind of see a little bit of it right in here. So they got some French wines as well, and they have a lot of products from France, and so there seems to be a little bit of a French connection with Macau, I think, because of the Portuguese history brought in other groups too, like the French. This is an optical glasses. Kind of interesting styles. Okay. Repair shop. Data recovery. Okay. That's all your internet needs right there. And now we have a let me see. It's like kind of a tiny oysters. Oh, that's also written in Korean. Okay. Huh. Okay. So they got some it's not Korean food though. It's all Chinese food, but they translate it in English and Korean. That's interesting. Chechi Kalbi. Okay, it's like some, oh, fried pork chops. Okay, yeah. I guess it has in English as well. So okay. Here's another cake shop that's named after a French one. And then we got a Japanese one. Japan stuff is pretty popular anyway, so this one is samurai fish. So it's like it's empty tonight, but other days it's quite full. So I think like Japanese food is probably like the most popular outside of I guess Chinese would be number 1, Portuguese would be number 2, Korean food is quite popular. Japanese I think would be number 3, but here's another Korean one. I mean, the other one had Korean writing, but this is Jeju. Jeju is Hanguk Yori, so it's like a Korean restaurant. Let me just take a look in that real quick. So Jeju is the Hawaiian Islands of Korea, is what they call it anyways. So it looks like a pretty cool. So they even got like some tropical fruit pharmacies. No shortage of pharmacies in Macau. And no shortage of property places either. Centra is one of the main ones as well. Okay, so that's a little taste of Coimbra Street. And then also, you can just see down there is a supermarket. So if we go, that's a parking shop down there. And that's kind of our target street right down there. Flower City is right over there. And also Venetian Casino. You can see the casinos all the way down. So we're gonna walk across. The lighting is just about right. And you got Flower City directly across, so we're gonna put the camera all the way in. So there's Flower City. So you got a park, goldfish, all kinds of cool stuff. So we'll probably try to highlight that again in a little bit. And this little area, we call it I think we're no longer on our target street anymore of Coimbra Street. I don't think this street has any name, but we just call it, we name it the same as this park, Flower City. And in the distance, you can see some casinos. So you can see City of Dreams Casino, Morpheus Casino, Venetian Casino. And I think we're just gonna look into the park real quick. And if we go down there, of course, there's some fast food, McDonald's and Pizza Hut is down there. So that's just kind of, and that's also called Flower City too. So that's a little shopping arcade in there. Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't notice that though. There's like a little bridge up to the top as well. So let's walk into the park briefly. Let's kind of walk in and just kind of see what's in here for you guys. So there's basically like fish, turtles, skating, kiosk. We just walk towards the water. But yeah, it's kind of, it's self-contained, of course. The play area is all quiet. I don't know if they have that closed. Oh, I don't see the goldfish either. It's kind of a quiet evening. But yeah, you can, there's little pavilions too. Lots of places to kind of hang out. Okay, well, I guess it's kind of a quiet space. So I think what we're gonna do next is we're gonna just keep on walking, and we are at 5 minutes. So I think my videos are getting a little bit long. Apologize for that. I think I'm gonna go into Flower City and then come back towards our target street, which is Coimbra. So Coimbra, basically Flower City, supermarket. There's quite a few supermarkets in this area. So we're just gonna walk in towards this little Flower City district. Shopping arcade, I mean. Show you a little bit of a touch of it. Let's see, that restaurant's been there for quite a while. Some of these have shut down. There's been a couple other ones that have been kind of coming and going. This News 21 has been here for quite a while. It's a kind of budget style, so the prices are really affordable. Like 29 mop. So it's always probably going to be there. That's a winning model for sure. Hokkaido cheesecake. Let's see, lemon tea. So, okay. I think that's new, that 1944. I haven't seen that before. And then that's a supermarket right there. That's been there a long time. Kodak Express. Okay. There's another milk tea place. Florist. A couple florists. There's one on both sides. Another milk tea. The Koi. Sue's Kitchen. That's kind of a chain. They have Southeast Asian foods and Chinese foods. They have stuff from like Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand. This one is Japanese, and there's a veggie right next to it. I think the veggie is closed. I think I haven't seen it open in a while. And we're gonna come back into Coimbra Street, and then we're going to walk down that just slightly, and then we're gonna end the video. Rolling Bank. So, okay. The lighting is just about right. It's actually like perfect lighting. Okay, so we're going to, so we're back at Flower City again, of course. And now we're gonna go across this way. And then this is kind of our cross street. This is actually Evora Street. But we're gonna keep on going down the other way. We're gonna walk down all the way down that way. Just kind of give you a little bit of a 360 here before we go. It's Flower City. Okay. So we'll just keep on walking down. And now we're kind of basically on the other side of the street, right? So, and if we go all the way down, we could get to the other end of Coimbra. We have to go up and over a what's that called? That looks pretty tasty here. So this one has duck and also has some macaroni as well, and some lechon, some chicken and duck. Okay. and beef intestines, and that as well. Actually, that looks pretty good right there. It's like teriyaki rice, fish, eel, beef. That's everywhere as well. Let's see, Shanghai restaurant. I've been in there before. It tastes different than the Shanghai food that I'm familiar with. I always remember it being really greasy, like really oily, but I don't remember that one being oily at all. Okay. So we'll just keep walking down a little bit further. Down there, there's Taipa Central Park. So I think what I'm going to do is we'll just walk in that direction. So we were on that other side of the street before, right? So we'll just keep on going, and then I'm going to actually I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go a little bit further, and then I'm going to do the four corners, and then we're going to pop up at the top over there where that skyway is at. So here's the four corners. This is kind of where we started anyways. Tall buildings everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to pop up over by the behind me. Okay, so this is the street that we were just at. So this is Coimbra, and you can see way down there there's Venetian and some of the Cotai casino strip down that way. So okay, as you can see down that way, that goes all the way down to the skyway system, and that does too. So that one is all the way down to that. So that's kind of and then they have that whole skyway that goes all the way down, and this goes all the way down to a train station right down that way. And then this one is the continuation of the same street. So basically we have Taipa Central Park right there. So I think what we're gonna do is we'll just kind of walk down that way, and you can kind of see the road that we go over. So we have to go over that road to go on Coimbra, and we'll walk down that way. So so we'll just come out down there. Okay, so that's the skyway that we just crossed, and Coimbra keeps on going down that way. And this road, one of the things about this particular road is you can't walk across it. You have to use the skyway. So there's basically elevators and stairs all the way down as well. So pretty cool little space. So we just basically came up that way.
Hello!
Wow! What are you doing on Coimbra Street?
I'm playing badminton over here.
Wow! Can I see?
Yeah.
Wow! So let's go over to the side and take a look. Wow, not bad. Wow, wow, it's pretty good. Wow, and I see there's a little boy over here too, right there. Let's take a look at that. Hey, say hi. Yeah. So we're gonna keep on walking down. I'll be back.
I'm gonna see you later, man.
Definitely, I'll see you in about 10 minutes. I'll go to the end of the street. So we're just gonna go all the way down. You wanna go with me? I'll go. You can come with me. Wanna come with me? Okay. Hey, buddy. Bye. Yeah. Okay. So down at the end is shopping mall. And we're just gonna walk all the way down there. And to the left is Taipa Central Park. You can see a big playground in that area. There's actually a swimming pool over there as well, and also a basketball, and also a little football or soccer court as well. And I think we're just gonna take the camera all the way down, show the end. In case you're wondering, they got some restaurants in here like Kufufu and like beef, rice. I think that's a Japanese one. I think that's usually pretty full, and a bunch of shopping as well. And we're not going to go all the way in it, but there's actually a movie theater upstairs, clothing shops, restaurants, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.